everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are finally in 2021, which is a great thing. It's a blessing. Hopefully we came out better versions of ourselves. Here I will be showing you guys a very different video, and this has a lot to do with my creativity skills. Here I'll be creating a vision board or dream board with you guys, and here I have my friend Hailey here to assist me. Hailey over here, she's never made a vision board overall, and I'm gonna be showing her how to make one. We are just gonna make this year bomb and way better than last year. So if you guys would like to see us create our own dream boards, just stay tuned and keep on watching. So here I am going to talk about a vision board, how did I get introduced to one, when is the best time to make one, and so much more. So the main question, of course, what is a dream or a vision board? A vision board or dream board is a visual representation of what you want to accomplish within the next year, the current year, or within the next 5 years. And it's pretty much divided into 6 dimensions of wellness, which is physical, emotional, social, intellectual, environmental, mental, I believe. I could be wrong, but if you know the right one, just let me know. But yes, it's pretty much a visual representation of what you want to accomplish. You have to be, in order to accomplish what you want, you have to be aligned with whatever it is that you want to accomplish, and so much more. And the best time to naturally make one, like, of course everyone says traditionally during the beginning of the new year, but personally I believe the best time to make one is when you're in the right type of mood, along with, like, you can make it, yeah, it's good to make it in the beginning of the year, but you could make it anytime. I just wouldn't recommend like making it towards like the end of the year. And if you do it towards the end of the year, you can make it for the current upcoming year, you know? Honestly, some of the things that you should put on there are things that you want to attract, yet alone that you are in natural alignment with. So for example, Hailey over here, Hailey, come in the camera. Hailey over here, she is, okay, she is very passionate about fitness and about living a healthy lifestyle, and she has her own Instagram page, which I highly recommend y'all follow.
Follow me. Sorry you guys, I'm trying to find some pictures to print on my dream board, so I'm a little behind here.
So yeah, she is very passionate about fitness. She posts about it a lot on her page, and she gives motivation to those who need it. She, one thing that she could put on her vision board is about like fitness and physical health, and she like will really motivate you to reach your body goals. And something that she could put on there is like healthy eating or like lifting more weights, you know? So like, because she's naturally into fitness and she's very much familiar with that, she can put working out more and eating more healthier on her vision board as an example. Just as long as you're naturally aligned with it and you don't question when's it gonna come, you know it's going to naturally come on its own. So that's a very good example. It keeps you very motivated. So if you are ever feeling down, or if you had a bad day, or someone says something to you that you didn't like, you gotta look at your vision board and you gotta know that you got goals you want to accomplish. You're going to accomplish them some way, shape, or form, and you didn't put that on there for no reason. So you gotta get up and make that happen. I'm trying to think of other benefits of making a vision board, but pretty much like it boosts your confidence up, it keeps you really motivated, it reminds you of your goals, it will help you manifest what you want quicker. Another thing I forgot to mention, you develop a deeper connection with the universe or God, like whoever you call upon, source energy. Like if you rely on God, like it helps you create a more deeper relationship with God. If you rely on the universe, it helps you create a deeper connection with the universe in order to manifest what you want. So I will include that as well. Another thing, where to place it at. So of course you would want to place it somewhere visible where you could see it every day. And like mine is in my room and I see it every day. It's right by my bed. I'm trying to, hold on. Okay, so here is my phone. I don't know if you guys could see that well. Okay, I don't know if y'all could see that well, but yes, this is my vision board from, okay, so this is my vision board from 2019. Here I put some things on there that I want to accomplish: physical, creativity, financial, all of that on there. And it, like, I recommend putting it as your phone screensaver if you don't have enough time to look at it every day. But yeah, it's good when you look at it every day, because like when your subconscious mind picks up on it, it's going to naturally gravitate and attract it naturally. So when you see it every day, like it's going to work out just fine. So yes, whether you want to put it as your phone screensaver, put it on the wall, put in a picture frame, whatever, like it will happen. And like the more you see it, the more your subconscious mind will naturally make it come true and make it happen for you. So yes, I would recommend that. Okay, so here I have the 2021 logo here, and on the back I wrote down some affirmations, and writing these affirmations down will help me remind me of my purpose for this year, be consistent with achieving my goals, remaining in alignment, and so much more. So I will put this right at the top part of my board, and here I have some pictures of me from my graduation photo shoot I did last year, and these will represent happiness, success, achievements, joy, and being in alignment with what I want to accomplish. So I'll be placing that right here. One of the first things that I would like to glue on would be this post I found, well, not post, but these encouraging words right here. It pretty much says, I want to see what happens if I don't give up. So this is for anyone who feels like they have a goal and they want to achieve it, but they sometimes feel down. So this is for you guys that feel like if you have a goal and if you want to achieve it, like just keep on going and be consistent, because it's gonna work out for you in your favor.
I haven't used glue sticks since forever.
I feel you. So another thing I'll be putting on my vision board, I don't think you guys could see it, but this is for whoever needs it. I feel like this affirmation is very powerful, especially if you feel down at times, if you want to do good but you don't know how to. So I feel like I am my own motivation. That will take you even further, and that will like help remind you that you got this. You're going to kill it all the time. Nothing's going to stop you, and so much more. So even if you're feeling discouraged, like you got to remind yourself and motivate yourself to where you want to be. So that will be very important for me.
So for me, one thing I kind of lack is communication. My communication isn't always there up to par, especially when it comes to like my friends and stuff. So I printed out this quote that said, communication, the human connection is key to personal and career success. And so I feel like just me looking at that will motivate me, you know, to want to have more conversations and, you know, connect with people more. Stop being so introverted, freaking Capricorn. But yeah.
So I have many different things I want to focus on this year. Here I have my physical wellness, like being more emotionally stronger, motivating myself at all times, loving myself, being in the gym, eating more healthier, growing my hair out. I want to be more spiritually in tune, be in the present moment, manifest everything I deserve that's meant for me, continue to read more books, be more creative, grow my YouTube, travel more, buy a house one day, get my own car, and of course, get some money.
Okay, but yeah, here is both of ours, and as you can see, they are very different. You can go either way you want to go with this. You can go simple, or you can go really, really creative and, you know, collage and so many pictures. But whatever, you know, helps you out more, go for it. This is a really fun activity that you can do with your friends. We've learned a lot. So now Rose is about to get the sage going, so we can just cleanse this and put this in the air. So what does this sage do, Rose?
The sage will cleanse the energy on our vision boards to make sure that we are in alignment, to block any negative forces from interfering with that, and making sure that we're headed on the right path. So here, like, I can say an affirmation like, I cleanse this board and enter nothing but peace, love, serenity onto all my goals. So thank you guys for watching our video. We hope that you guys can get a grasp onto what a vision board is, and even be inspired to make your own.
Especially with your friends.
Yes.
Sorry, you guys, I can't be in the camera. Yeah, no, not right now.
Yes, this was very fun to make this video with Hailey, and just to show the process of it and everything. So be sure to like this video up, comment what you like about it the most, subscribe to our channels, and follow us on both of our Instagram pages. It'll be linked in the description box below. All right, thank you
Thank you guys. Thank you.